Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be going to set up a remote access VPN so we can access our server from anywhere in the world. Let's get started. In your browser, navigate to tailscale.com. Tailscale is a VPN based on WireGuard that we can use to set up a remote access easily. Click on Login, then log in using your Google account. Follow the given steps until you successfully set up your Tailscale account. Once done, you will be redirected to your Tailscale account dashboard. Go back to pFsense, then click on System and Package Manager. Click on Available Packages, then search for Tailscale VPN package. Click on Install, then Confirm. Once the installation is done, go to VPN, then click on Tailscale VPN to start the configuration process. As you can see, Tailscale status is offline since we have not connected it yet to our account. Go to your Tailscale account, click on Settings, then click on Keys. Then click on Generate Auth Key. Input the name you want for your auth key. You can also set if you want your auth key to be reusable, as well as its expiry date. Once done, click on the Generate button to generate your key. Then copy the generated key. Go back to pFsense and click on Authentication. In the pre-authentication key section, paste the key you copied earlier. Then click on Save. As you can see, Tailscale status is now online. Go back to your Tailscale dashboard, and now you can see your server is added in the list of connected devices. Click on the three dots icon, click on Disable Key Expiry so that your auth key never expires. Go back to pFsense. Let's add some firewall rules to allow remote connection from Tailscale clients to this server. Follow the steps as you see in the video. Then go ahead and reload filter to apply the recent firewall changes. Let's go to the final step. Go back to Tailscale and click on Download. Download the version of Tailscale compatible to your system. After downloading, go ahead and install the Tailscale client as you see in the video. After completion, Tailscale client is now available in the status bar. Right-click on its icon, then click on Login to proceed. Log in using your registered Google account. Click on Connect, and you should be able to see a success message. Let's try connecting to our server using the Tailscale client. go back to the status bar and right-click on the Tailscale icon. Click on Network Devices, My Devices, and click on your server. In your browser, open a new tab and hit Ctrl-V in your keyboard to paste your server's address. As you can see, we can now access our server using the public IP provided by Tailscale. We can use this to log in and connect to our server from anywhere in the world. This is useful if you want to change server settings without the need to be physically present in the server room. You can also add additional users who can access the server from the Tailscale dashboard. That's it. Always monitor the Tailscale status from your pFsense dashboard to see some problems occur. If you like this video, subscribe to show your support on this channel. Thank you, and peace.